Ashefo me mama nyina ehyiehia eba FPNTV official so say onua ba wo hu mi say dia na chese ai me de nsem nam sama ati artist na ehwegu ewo yen social media platforms no so no na me de aba abesomo said munim no media ne Patricia Odro Shamia now wa frame Madam Pat Madam Pat be a guy, Madam Pat be a sexy, Madam Pat be a lovely me a menono a man a bar Baba Qua I media many a man no doors ye pa sana mikuno no so doors ye pa tia basana na wa ma we ne anya dia on say ibetini ayu bukata what I say. You can follow us our other social media platforms no so make sure YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and then all the other platforms no so ADEKYE emu NSEM NSEM me de be somo no enche bia ena yempanimfo yi enam Galamsay illegal mining dwumadie ya na okwa kodi ewo oboase a sabi okohia won akwanhia wu yayaye enumu ena eye Taskforce no yes small scale Taskforce no omonso wo share in previous Galamsay videos bia medin kan abeye ye na utimu say lately na omani abrea e kire say omudi galano ho adwuma yie pa na eye ye mpanimfo ewuo ye chiri nso kire say aye anopai de kan no eye papaya your friend no chene bua kodia eye Accra coordinator Kaswa branch organizer ai what the name ansem abetuja e den no kan wo say obia obaba site abedin se hunu bi on be shootiu ekun ai on be kun enu no mo amoye Galamsay no mo nya study ai yoda yantie tie na num se nwi na hun se nyame na me ka hye no na emomo ana num asem
said your mother
yantie bi
and then we video be a secretary maybe can say who you should be very careful and then put your make them say we come after you, we will shoot you and will kill you because and I'm also and you go for a day and we are going to tell them say nobody na different but some kind of force. He said who says here and Ghana het no ya mfa any day and this 7 go and adwuma o man be say me say mama say on can come to yam Ghana for energy and this for energy as the for energy we are ready.
You just say ultimately say enibre aba ankasa na other videos been so ha ye wi me pesa wutia fa comment no e fa comment section ho e de mayen said ye wo wadwen e kirew e fa Galamsay ne e ho wo solution bi ana say bibi wo ho a wo betumi dia fa comment section no based on sa illegal issues ya wo de fa ho nefa mayen. The next one here, manso anyan kwanta. Oklemo say abanya juma die e basa kodie ni ma che say abanya juma ekome ba kokra mponye den eni ho. na Galamsay na won nananom ayo na bedru won so na kire se won so eyo enu nti no eno na oye edididi edwuma fufuro bia eni ho na national security ene Ghana police personnel ni bi enso etofa ho na waya wana gen say womo equipment na omo de ye won nwuma no but one thing na ehofo no na me comment won ho say wonya information say government speaking against sa Galamsay no wa pack won tools nyina abegufie enti wotie video ne dia for almost 2-3 weeks ne dia na che say we jai sa illegal Galamsay na all year no she say at the end of the day no president ana say penifo ni bi no on beba be kasa na bia bibi wo hɔ a obetumi ayo e de aboa wo mo a omo nso ensa mebetumi akọ won ano na national security ne some police personnel bi ekọ sa omo kotwe wo equipment na esewani ensa okahye wasehe ehenene ha maka yetie yeja yadwuma atwe niama begufia eni adwuma so na ewofie no so mo betwe akọ ene ne ehenene ha yanhwima mo ba ku sei ene ne omo ne omo edisie ni ye pictures no na tie video ni bi de esiye ewo ho kakra bi
from Asuan Mutu Ayakwanta abaya dwuma bia ne anum ayeye every babam na Galamsay na nananum aya na omkom krachi na abaso yaso sa mutu sha yaso a ya na eto aba no ya pasa Galamsay dwuma kosuntina ya to aba no itise abai wotu nkofo ogum sa omamra na omamra be stop Galamsay omamo ba sika eno omo ba die omwia omasanso adwuma ba na omaso a adwuma bia ne a ya ne abiriye ene akasa esasa police ni ba eba ba ya sapa no akwa na ya de adakom akwa busumi mienu nie hwa ebi ma nko school ebi ma enko school ya tete anu sema obi afri Accra Kasua asisa police case de aba ebi sisa asomade wo ba na so machine wa timi antu a wa tutu nioma no de kwa wasisa watiti lobed e de aba sa abai ena asomo na watake machine ono ade ni po wo koda kobusa na so a aso abetu tuo
national security near police phobi omo ba ya omo se afidie a esisi kromi ana omo befa ena so o befa sesei abai na blagala se obi anfa ne no mama fie be 3 weeks ni edi video be sisi fie edi se wo so befa pa de video no fie de e mam kwan edi e bobo obelia se video de ye ma omo fa ba akokra nko enti ye nyira ye pinche saa ana ye de afidie no amon fa nko enti o ha na ya police for no ensa o machi a o de ko ye se ne saa bre eni e won shoot de ekokọ so na ye se de sifie ko ade eni ba ba akopla na se ye de ko hospital nti oni asisi a ye nyira nti ya hwe ade enti se afidie ni de ye no kro won pa ye si ye bro 3 weeks o de ma mo hwe hu na ehun kra wo
ye koso ewo eho no enu nti ema won so me ma warning shots ahodo ema wo mu nipa ba ko April na so o ma ne so e de ne ko ayare sabia ekohwe no ayare nti honestly there koso Galamsay mu no na videos na no interesting story bi wa ha ye be discuss na ya share bibi wa ha say yen share another story our western region Supri a hidden village Ghana heya yeti yemayimu ya somewhere in the western region soldiers be ato won ho agum ewo one of the forest be ewo ho a kire se wa chichiri kuro kese ewo ho no na ekrono farmers entumi enkwafuo mu biem because miners na je eho nyina afa now ede enioma ena ewo forest wa ekire se yaje wa afa now wokosha based on soldiers na investigations omuko hunu ye no enie over 10,000 people ena na akoye hideout ewo ho na wokọ ho no wohun silence generators, a lot of fridges, lot of mattresses, waya internet cafe ewo ho, wabie containers ewo ho na a lot of cold stores and so ko ache say o matwi electricity ewo ho a enipa ewo ho over thousands of people, 10,000 of people egu ho a che say omo essence you know. But one funny story ne say, and that's one funny thing about that particular place ne say nkofo na ogu ono omo nyina ye Liberians, Ivorians, Togos, and they just say different people. And now, the question is, obi timi free ne mai so eko bon hu adwa ewo obi asas so just like that. Why enede asase no e ma wo anaye achede obewura ma na ono apekeye say aha na ye pese yetina ene yetina ye beba ho ye beba ho ne hwe wo hwe emrantie na ewo ho wo hwe etu ahodo a egu won kon ne ensekan ahodo a ekura won na wo farmer no kra no unna kra nko wonna ekra ene wako ene wato ekra hodin abrewani nkran edin a wode amakro no abrewa eni nkran now based on the story watching Sodom and Gomorrah, there's so quite different kind of women. Nti we na chese MCL your friend say Isaac on na epe obaware ya kra ya anya information ntem ke ye ko ho na eja ye ko pay mu ba ku bi de man na wono so de hwe ni how far honestly and some also in the country no in fact wow asemo yen hwe video no ne yen kan one
atuo ne asekan a omo season ne nra majority of them are Liberians and Ivorians Togolese no mutu Galamsay nra soja for ne bowura forest no omo koye no middle of the forest and yabo village a obi anim ho yese friend abrewa ni nkran omo koye nipa over 10,000 and e forest wo kwan bia na ho a obehu se kwai de nipa abo awuram but omo wuram 10,000 omo akoyi kwan de ato baby mattress menim baby omo generate electricity but omo was silent generators electricity omo wo fridges akese a omo ye cold store ukrom kuro internet cafe bi bia wo enua papa na wo forest wo da bi omo bobo container foforo da bi omo nya new member ti da bi esi dan foforo enua egu omo bebo dan
na abusia sana oman Ghana yada enso ye nan pa ana egu abon se wani ense gentre ha ma eno enam so bia onhyede numu epom ho oye den wo bayira oye den ne asrafo iso mutumi nante be 6 hours no mu epom ho so intelligence eyo modumenti no omo koye ko hu babia ye frɛ ho abrewa eni kan ye mo obaga na chesene ye yesi ni pa omo ye be 7,000 enye so mo ye Ghana fu
se ye wo ye mayimu ensase no hwa na de ma why mo na wo to me I want ensase because I know say one of otikoko so videos bi a wo ye was say ebusua bia ni asase when it comes to Ashanti Kingdom obia ntumi nkilemu asase ebusua panyini bia na say family bia ntumi nsore nka say ya asase ni every land belongs to him. One of his videos the okaye no ye beba ho ye sha achem abodom Ghana Association of Scale Miners Taskforce omo embark on an operation our Eastern region. Now, particularly, they went to 2 major places. Achem Prankase and Achem Abodom, Kwabi Brim municipality ho, and baby. About hundreds of cocoa and palm plantations, I say. Ye shebu na mensem ni nyina megina ha mo na metie fo ne mahwefo matie nsem bi e koso wo video bi a ebe koso wa ha na wo de wo comment no e de aba say President of the Republic of Ghana enije farming ho na or encourage the youth into farming. But here is the case say enuye nyina na ye twagwe koko nyina ye twagu and so asase ni nyina na ye de aye mining na asase ben ene ye fa nkwa ye sa farming no. This particular place I can once me about hundreds of cocoa and palm plantation were shining in egu. Ekwiafo a wo ho one nano magija won sase ni ade no. Ya gin sase na firi won sem. Okobisa ho asama ye se asase rase ye mefa. Me nana no maja asase de ato ho se ye nidi so no wote hwa na obia aba obesori anopa afa o se kan ato kon se wo koye bibi kakra no wanya bibi wo be kone aton afuo no wo be bisa ne se asase rase waton wo de ko police station a enko ba bia wo de kwa ahimfi a enko ba bia aye foolish case. Na yentie video ne kakra ye begina ha se na ya pensen ba komienu mu na ye hunu de ekoso ewo system ni mu ye de obeti samen me metna ha se na me medi mpanimfo atem me nya santete ye no nanso wo yo opanyi na wo yo obofo o bo o man no a kai hunu se wunchiri mati mu bi ye nyina na ye wom enti se ye ti ya man na a time is coming na ye be kransuo efra manone ene ye de aba. Imagine nsukom ne betemi a wasefo wo ho won nsukom ne bi beden ebede won wa yan share video no I had your course, so you come listen.
As part of commitments made by the Ghana National Association of Small-Scale Miners to ensure that the Brim River in the Eastern region restored to its natural state, the Taskforce on Thursday embarked on a special operation in the Kwabi Brim municipality of the Eastern region. The first stop was at Achem Prankase and later to Achem Abodom in the Kwabi Brim municipality. When the Ghana National Association of Small-Scale Miners Taskforce got to the site where the illegal miners had diverted the flow of the Brim River and were mining in it, the illegal miners managed to swim across the river to the other side to escape being arrested. They had cleared hundreds of acres of cocoa and palm plantations in the area belonging to innocent farmers. When the team managed to arrest some of the miners, the Kede police commander, DSP Jenim Boaten, appeared at the site together with a man Richard Oheneba Kojo Obin Trafohene of Kede, who is believed to be the owner of the site. DSP Jenim Boaten, however, declined to speak on activities of illegal mining in the area.
No, am I on operation? So what am I going to say?
You intervene, so
I intervene on what?
you came around.
They arrested someone and brought them over here, and I only came and make entries. Oh, okay.
Others who were arrested were initially kept at the Pramkasi police station before being transported to the Kibi Divisional Police Command, where they are expected to be processed for court. 2 pump action guns were retrieved from the illegal miners. The commanding officer in charge of the task force, Major Patrick Donchebe, who spoke to City News about the exercise, expressed frustration with the interference of some politicians and opinion leaders.
We have a lot of challenges that we are facing through this operation. Some of these, when you fetch arrest, you will see that these so-called chiefs, honorables, a lot of people, the opinion leaders, they come inside and they start to beg. But if we say we will listen to this kind of begging, I don't think we can achieve anything. So there are challenges. The chiefs, I don't know, and the so-called big men in politics, both everybody used to call, but I'm not giving up. They were doing illegal mining. They were in the Brim River. And I've been given the mandate to operate on the Brim. So as today, anybody on top of Brim, I will arrest you. Because they were on the Brim River, that's why I arrested them.
Some farmers in the area who commended the efforts of the task force raised concerns about how their farmlands are forcefully being taken away from them by the illegal miners.
Na all can say na. So far, task force you so. Waya dia o di juma eye pa. Esan say yeah videos be concerning a human crime. Amenfi West honum and carry River Pra. Ene bia bebrea chese illegal mining. Akoswa amasa task force when so any abre akohwa chese womo ne womo ede efe so na mitie videos bi ahei na mera ho kakra wotie mejo no asama o kan ye na o say chiefs politicians chese empanimfo a ewa oman mu no omona na omonsa esan Galamsay no ase empanimfo na ahemfo no ene politicians no omwa na omonsa Galamsay no ase and so enkofo so bo omo ho ban how to stop it, how to prevent it. Na ebi mayo madwen se omo boa ma yatu ase no empanimfo bi nso hya ase e na omo nso raise ni day in and day out. Nanka entisa ensase ne ho amo na eton wase omo akwachi wo mo no na mpanimfo na frɛ yesre mo munya won yesre mo menkofo ne won oh my God. Now the question is, Anti-Galamsay na se betimi atu menye sure. I doubt it. No matter what happens, I doubt it. Say Galamsay asibetimi atu because looking at the source, baby, a free air ban. Uchi umune betene ye pe. omo na omo ya mpanifo no omo kro na ena adwuma no omo nsa ehihya ase so enti omai no aya na misuma krom ketuan mu because your previous videos ye din kan ayaye no ebi mu su se omo nyansuo mpo ena o manom enka ne wo kwa afoma ubedru ba bia nsuo dawo ani kroje kama no wasebi no wanom na egu obu a watimi say yes wanom nsuo na obu adwu say fom ena wo kwa afoma agisa wo to sachet water e di free aduru ho ti se wo nsuo sampe wo say wo ba fie anya sense kombe kun wogura mu ho na yesi efo no kra no e wo hen asase na wo hen na ade akwadrafu and so this is the same government all model to improve farming so who improve farming na asase ni ho no hen na nipa no onkodo en sase na mukro ya nsasa hihase ana mode ese no mu sensu esasase mu hwenuagu sha kokogu sha megu sha bodiegu dia he ne emfa nkoye farming no ebe kakra ye nyina eti ye be chidie ye bedie ye nyina ase atimo na ebi madwene ne se one day wode won nti eduru wa obefro nwa ko bi man so nwa kotena ho for comfort na ye se enkroma no ye ni bie no ye de ya tene mama ekoma de ye kunyen su koma de ye kunyen na ema wure nsu mfi se obi nnua bro enkotwa banche obi nnua bese enkotwa bro de wudua no as a leader de wudua no enua na wubetwa wantwa wo baba betwa obentwa wo nana baba betwa wo nana ntwa wo nana nkanso a wo baba betwa nti wo twa sabi ato wa manchiri ma twa sapapa eto ne nchiri ma faso ayede akọ wo twa sabone ato wa because when him say we there enkan you are living a comfort life whilst others no there omomra well yenyena eseye a time is coming out there will be no land for farming and no so obeka say ye kwakra nuane aba yenyena eseye yatim eyema yenyena eseye so a yenyena yewom right na yen shade bi abrantie bi enso ebe kasai na yen sha efutuo bi a ode ma government ni ewi ayetie ba ku bi ewo ho no efutuo bi a abrantie bi nso esusuye na dwenkyere eno no de ode beto ho o se obi obeti bia no on fan target the president of the Republic of Ghana na se omode kwa adwindwin mu na se eye de a ai omo contact na owo ho se obeboa no no so ni nim de ni ni nyansa kakra odoma nkoma ai ede amano no ono nso ode akire o sensa ase ne de edi nkan no ogitum asai nanso betumi adua me ani koko at the end of the day no it will serve as a factory enokra no youth na ebenya adwuma edi aye yentie kakra
this omadwen say omo ba enne migiramanim na meka oman mu nyina obi ahwemani mama wo kora na meka sa kire wo kemanim ye na mom no ye post ma ye no eno nkire say ye ntena fie ndidi o se mo se nya galamsey ndidi a anwo ba na ye be start with the minister himself. Manson Kwanta, this is assembly or you could child district fund in Eba, educational fund, NSEM, fence in Yama, Scar, say the ball mine brown. Say about office we know the right time was carried the back. You have to see your magic. It's almost penny sadia, and I'm for the right uniform and family platform, no money and meko. And yes, sadia, we are here, we are waiting for them. If they are man, we are man to wait them out. Me a carpenter by Messiah Galamsay. We school, training college, Mamtech, the year 2018. Up to date, we post my. Which means now say the common name. Galamsay no maye. Say mama, and now the next president. So you are so you know be by now. Or mama Juma as a teacher. Before say Galamsay be guy. But
yeah, well, other videos be for the sake of time until the me embo nina entro. Wo share ye nua be me ya or kase ya or ye educated elite. And yes, or ye obia keke, but then ya postino oni baby afa. Obi so there was a building and construction. One also so the ne dear donanka building and construction ka ne Galamsay e fahin. Ye nua be me as a teacher. Uko ukra de wo nim de e fa ho a wo nim se enye enso so ode akopie ai ewo ehonom now say no what's your boys now omo wo into mining ni ma most of them na e kasa fa se adwuma eniwo most of them na ye educated elite omo nye obia kekesa most of them akọ school a omo nimode. But because of say when you access to almost field intino, omunyina edwane because at the end of the day no, obi wo hono ma, one na ye breadwinner ema na busia. What I say? Na we are making empanimfo kro ya no omo nsahya ase o. Enti ebasa na o mai ba no, wono so okwaya wonwene ho because wo na we ye wo hene no. Why ya politics? Why ya penyin no? Why anwen wo man no ho? Enti sebi ya owo other ways kra na nko obefa so na wenim say at the end of the day no okogala every day ni sika ye den egu ni nsem. There's no way ya obi be Galamsay no be ka say enedie ye nyeska every day obenye ska ede ahye ne ma anase ne busua. Enti so most of them are educated. So obi wo wa enye na adwene so ode be kwa akwaye and so government ne mpanimfo no ede na yeye na wenu most of times see na wo kire wa adwen kra na it looks as if say it's null and void. You need na be kasa it's useless because yemfa reason is say penyimu no betu anamo akwade ye no no mom na ne nsahya ase and so ho na wo ka kire no what I say akwaye se obi akoka kire o headmaster se me ba wo ya akra bone munyi na di free school na wo kuro ya wasa akwasa nipa no se won kopa che wo ma fire on the mountain what I say wow. Enti abusiafo empanifo ye besre but for me pa die I know say Galamsay there's no way there's nothing ebetu ase but dem yan say ebi matu omo ho asiwo omode enioma egu look at this small scale miners. My hear about bare 4 videos these people enia berea wako wana kache ekoso wo mu stop wo mu but at the end of the day obekọ no mo say because penifo na ena eyo na when abrantie bi de wono wase said they making Galamsay na nya de a ohwa ene ana echina etu obetwa ento ono de ekwanya in case say ekobase ye nyansuo nsuo na asai no kwanya ono obefa so obefa bi saa no waye ni ye na wanom ena ono de odwe ne ho eno nti obi technology bia ono so aye to purify nsuo no ene ono wakɔhwɛ no watwa ene ode abeto ono wase eto de edin a obekɔ deep no ahwɛ method a man ni use it to purify ni nsuo no ono so afa so yɛnhwɛ ketewa bi wa ha
de medwen Ghana ho maka se Galamsay for de omuwe ha memom because medwen Ghana for ho teme na wa mekasa kasa nyina na yɛsɛ mehwɛ technology betumi aboa Ghana sane yensuo na ayete sɛ miloniti nti wa hu akwa no so betena wi asema so tumi sua sane solve problem nti ono technology no ebetumi amensufin eni aba ba ye krogin but whether as to the chemicals are contaminate nsuo no ebetumi efinsuo no na de mention da ene ndi nkomo nkwesi sa no nti hwe bi woni ho na hwe simple technology we take for to omuntumi yo KNU and ST4 so no motete na po omuntumi nye ba akokra nsuo no na aye clean never no what you say aye clean never when dey
pa wasa na de pano unya pano white ya omo abono powder ya wosabia we de eno anu de ohia ne nsuhye wosabia na de pano ya boso ai ene ne beko de aye de tea na na eko utwama no afa pano na ese wasabi na de aboso eno anu no well for near for ahaye FPNTV official so ena utie no ai eti afa na odi o video no ato ha hey I tell you Galamsay no I butu eja dem kofo bi ani abre na youth no so ani abre wasemo bekuyen mode amomra na momekuyen yensia ye ready a ye twemu I wonder what is happening boboba now only God knows what will happen now so we ya brantie we ya baba wa enchine de obransu ya empre wo hu emye nkokun hwe wo hu suyi na obi nwu ya onim de obenya panifo no so de awrahuwo ya fa ho ena omo nso ede ho ani bere kum nkofo a well eno nso so se mo mpanimfo kuro ye ine ehye esum na si dudwuma no na mo de mo anibere kwa akohye omo amo ankasa masa fa omo adwuma no so ekokunkun omo a eno nso so enyina eda yanim twen yen consequences no so yenyina beba yenyina yeso obi amfani huni Anti-Galamsay ekoso scale minus Taskforce edwumadi a ono nso so wafa to ohun so edi to stop Galamsay and at the end of the day no so based on various videos I share ne hunu say politicians and chiefs no penimfo edi anim wo man mu no omo na omo ensa ehye Galamsay no ase yei ene ensam ahodo a unuaba oyere mede ebe som wo adekye emu ensen media ene madam pat edo bebre makra
we are telling Galamsay for say your mo hwado no and then we video be secretary maybe can say who you should be very careful and then body away Galamsay biade we come after you we will shoot you and we kill you because and then also and you go for your day and we are going to tell them say nobody na different but some kind of for so she say who say here Ghana head no ya fa any day and this 7 go and adwuma o man be say tell me say your mama say o can come to yam Ghana for Telechi and this for Telechi as at the for Telechi we are ready for the NDC and we are going to make sure that Ghana be ever fund to pay the efra me da say the ticket former we are greater Accra communicator also Kaswa branch organizer right when we go your program bodyguard our one side right 2016 every people